Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Wednesday, December 21st at the New York close. Let's get right into it. Let's open up our micro oil. We opened gap up well above that close from yesterday that was down here. Gap up above our contract high. And we pretty much just went sideways the whole day. Not a lot of action there. So with that said, we are finishing net positive from today's close to yesterday's. Taking a look at gold. Gold had a large range yesterday. I think this was the range. The close, I believe it was around here somewhere. But we opened inside that range, got down, I believe we got to the close, and then had to move up at that HVA edge, and it just came down, and we closed below the close from yesterday. So yesterday was positive. Today we are negative in comparison to where we closed on those days. And there, moving into micro oil, already zoomed out. We opened gap up above that close, had somewhat of a rocky start, some sideways movements, and then eventually came down once, twice, 3 times, tested those lows and shot up and did not want to go back up any higher. But you can see the response at these HVA edges here. And as soon as we got above here and made new highs, buyers took control for the whole day. But after that, it was pretty much short-lived. They lived inside of this HVA range, and you had one opportunity there. It was a riskier move, but the other opportunities just didn't present themselves until you came back down finally just moments ago for that long at that edge. Again, these levels are drawn the night before for our students so that they can put them on their respective charts. Not everyone has the same trading platform. That's fine. Use the platform you prefer, the broker you prefer. That's up to you. But the levels are available for you to put onto your own charts so that you are ready for that evening, the pre-market, or the pit. And so NASDAQ has a similar story, except for it opened inside of its range and had immediate buying and then smacked down, and it went to its close and then just shot right up. There was a ton of buying pressure. You can see here that was resistance, and then they broke it finally, and they had quite a violent break there and then came back down and hit that area of support, which was resistance becoming support. And then much like the ES, they just didn't really look back and kept melting up and then lived inside of that area that was here. And you can see they had some response to those HVAs, but it was a rockier day. It's just, it's a holiday season. That's all it is. There's not as much participation, not as much volume. So you're going to get some choppy moves. You're going to get slow days. You're going to get large bars. But usually those first time, second time areas of hitting that HVA are pretty spot on. And same with the ES, that we had that move back down finally to it as an opportunity to go long. It presented not too long ago for our students. Some of them took them. I don't know if they sent them in time for the video that Pat puts out every evening. He might make another one. I don't know. However, again, these levels are given out to our students the night before. You can see the performance of the market at those levels. If you're interested in learning more information about them, or if you want to learn the methodology that we teach in our rooms each day that the markets are open, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either of those locations. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.